Hi, and welcome to Level Up with Sophie. In this video, we're going to go over how to use the Kami's drawing tool to work out a math problem. Now, in this situation, I am not on a touchscreen device. I'm on my desktop, so I'm going to be using my mouse as best as I can to do this. However, if you're going to have kids work out problems and you have touchscreens, then I highly suggest that you use a stylus and whatnot. Okay, so the drawing tool is over here, and I'm going to test this out. I don't like that. I'm going to change the stroke thickness to 1. There's the eraser tool here, and I'm just using drawing and shape things, so then that's the eraser tool. I'll click. The drawing tool is just like anything else. You just click and drag. I'm going to now pretend like I'm a student using this. All right, so I'm going to cross multiply and divide. So 11 times a cross multiply and divide, 7 times 12, bring my equal sign down. 7 times 12 is 84 equals 11a. I'm going to do the inverse operations. I'm going to divide by 11. Divide by 11, which gives me 7, 8, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, and it goes on forever and ever and ever, which equals A, because this cancels out over here. Okay, so, and I'm supposed to round to the nearest tenth, so it's going to be 7.6, because the 3 doesn't make it go up, equals A, and I'll circle it there. Thanks for watching.